Understanding, take it to the bank. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, take it to the bank. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversation. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Take it to the bank is an idiomatic expression used to emphasize the reliability or guarantee of a statement or information. When someone tells you that you can take it to the bank, they're assuring you that what they're saying is absolutely trustworthy and you can depend on it as if it were money in the bank. It's often used to convey confidence in the truth or certainty of one's words. The origin of take it to the bank is somewhat murky, but it's believed to stem from the idea of banking as a secure and trustworthy institution. Banks are places where people deposit their money with confidence, knowing it will be safe. Similarly, when information or a promise is as reliable as a bank, it means it's something you can count on to be true or to happen. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use take it to the bank in conversation. Here are a few examples. If I say I'll be there at 8 p.m., you can take it to the bank. This means the speaker is assuring their punctuality. She said the new product will revolutionize the market, and you can take that to the bank. Here, the speaker is expressing confidence in the product's success. He's the best lawyer in town, take it to the bank. This is a way of strongly recommending someone's services. It's important to note that take it to the bank is typically used in informal settings among friends, family, or colleagues. It's perfect for situations where you want to assure someone of the certainty or reliability of something. However, it might be too informal for serious business contexts or formal writing. Understanding expressions like take it to the bank can add a layer of richness and authenticity to your English communication. It's a powerful phrase that conveys confidence and reliability. We hope this exploration helps you feel more comfortable using it in your conversations. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in discovering the nuances that make it so vibrant. Happy learning, and until next time, keep practicing.